That cough in your child is doing a job. Let's get into it. Number one, a cough is protective. A cough is your body's way of clearing irritants and mucus from the airways. Number two, you might notice that a cough is really loud in your child, sometimes out of proportion to the illness itself. And that's because children's airways are narrow and they're more sensitive, and that's why children get more coughs than adults do. And number three, that cough might actually last longer than the illness itself. And that's simply because of something called post-viral cough, and we'll get into that in the next reel.